Sentence structure and pronunciation for beginners. 10. Teaches, read, them, he, how to. So he is the subject here, he. And then we have two verbs, teaches and read. And he's third person singular, so we need es. So teaches is the verb. Teaches. And then teach what? So teaches them. And then we know the phrase how to read. He teaches them how to read. This is the sentence. He teaches them how to read. So here, teaches them should be read together. Teach, teaches, teaches, and them. Teaches them, teaches them. He teaches them how to read. He teaches them how to read. He teaches them how to read. Are kids learners fast? The. So we have kids, we have learners, and verb is are. It can be learners or kids. Kids are learners. But kids are learners sounds better because kids are learners. Learners. And then the is going to define kid. I'm sorry, the kids are learners. What kind of learners? Fast learners. Fast learners. Fast learners. The kids are fast learners. And this is the sentence. The kids are. Kids are. Kids are fast learners. So when you pronounce this, if you pronounce this itself, you can say fast. But if a T comes, if a word is followed, T is almost silent. So fast learners, you just say fast learners, fast learners, fast. Instead of T, do not pronounce T, say fast learners. The kids are fast learners. How to spell kids learn. How to spell kids learn. So kids is the only subject here, kids. And this is third person plural, so you don't need an S. Kids learn. Learn what? How to spell. Kids learn how to spell. So kids learn. So this one together, kids learn. Kids learn how to spell. How to. So many American people say when you pronounce this how to, they say how to. Why? Because this is a vowel, T flaps. Sounds like R. So kids learn how to spell. And for example, you say go to school. When they say go to school, they don't say go to school. They say go to. So vowel, T flaps. Go to school. So kids learn how to spell. You can say how to spell, but you also can say how to spell. Kids learn how to spell. Next one, quickly they things learn new. So they is the subject. Third person plural, so you don't need an S. They learn. They learn what? They learn new things. They learn new things quickly. Quickly. The kids learn new things quickly. They learn new things quickly, subject, verb, and this is object. In English, usually the adverb comes at the end. Usually at the end. They learn new things quickly. They learn new things. Just be careful with this. Things, and quickly. Quickly. Instead of saying quickly, say quickly. They learn new things quickly. The last one for today, the two kids teacher teach likes. Okay, wow. So we have kids teacher, but the verb is likes. So teacher is the verb. What if you want kids teach? So kids teach doesn't make sense. So teacher likes. And then we can use the to define the teacher. The teacher. And then verb is likes. The teacher likes what? The teacher likes what? Likes to teach. And then the object of the teach is to teach the kids. The teacher likes to teach the kids. The teacher likes to teach the kids. This is the subject and verb. In a way, this is the object. And the kids is going to be the object of the kids will be the object of teach. Anyway, the teacher likes to. So this part read together. Likes, likes, likes to, likes to. The teacher likes to teach the kids. The teacher likes to teach the kids. The teacher likes to teach the kids.